So in online business, image quality or the picture quality of the product plays a vital role while scaling up any product. So whatever you are selling, either you're going to start the business or you're currently selling, and if you think that certain product is not performing well, so one of the factor could be the poor image quality of that particular product. So maybe you can retry the advertising with some new image and you'll see that there would be some difference in the results as well. So here are a few tips. Whatever you're selecting or selling, that the product should be very crisp in that particular image, and it should be popped up, and there should always be a contrast where the product should be popped up. Actually, if the product, so for instance, if the product color is black and the background is white, so is black as well, so obviously it would be very hard to differentiate. So always there should be a contrast, and especially if we are going into the wearable products like watches, jewelry, clothing, shoes, try to get the lifestyle images of those products that actually someone is wearing those products, so that then it would be easy and convenient for people to relate with that particular model or the image as well. And if you're going into the dropshipping business, do not shortlist those images where there are the Chinese model in it, because it would give an impression it's a Chinese product, which we obviously don't want. Though it's been imported from China, but still, if the model is European, Canadian or American, then that's perfectly fine. And there should not be a lot of elements in that particular image. For example, you're selling a vase and there are a lot of elements in that particular image. For instance, you have taken a picture of the living room, so there could be a lamps, there could be couches, furniture, sofas, etc. So try to avoid. So try to focus on that particular product which you are trying to sell online. So I think these are the few tips. If you take care of these points, there would be, I'm sure, would be a better conversion of your product online. So yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.